The star and plus signs are, the meta characters used to indicate repetition, and star means slash any number including none of the item, and plus means at least one of the item. This is the same as any regular expression as well, which means star is like it starts from 0 to infinity. I mean, it's 0 to n, and plus indicates it's 1 to n. So you want to have uh, any sentence, you want to have any sentence. Let's say you want to have a sentence which dot star, which means any sentence that has a single character should be printed. So anyone want to chant hello 20 here, he means older man, question mark, square brackets, brackets 20. So these have any characters. This it starts with any character. It has some character. Anything that has null characters also, this is also null character, so this is also printed. So that's the reason we are using dot star. For example, so now we want to use plus signal. So in this you are using 0 to 9, any character from 0 to 9 is accepted, plus dot star 0 to 9 plus. So any sentence which has a number followed by anything and followed by nothing also followed by number will match the lines. So here you have 720 MP battalion 42nd brigade. So here you have a number followed by a number. So this is giving a match because dot star, which will contain no values also, and here also we have 2 or 3. For example, we have 23 here, maybe this is the reason this data got in, or same way for any number. So you have 2 or 3 years, which will also give a match, and 3 or 4 days, which will also give a match. For me to go to bed again, to go to, for me to, everything will be a match for this sentence as a number followed by any set of characters followed by a number. This can be any set of numbers actually, like 40, 23, or any numbers. So that's the reason this is for repetition actually. So a number followed by a number here is also a match, a number followed by a number is again a match, a number followed by characters, a number again a match. Same way it goes on for any set of examples that needs to be extracted like this. Now moving on, uh, what are the next set of meta characters? So we have interval quantifiers, which is like using set the brackets here. The let us specify the minimum and maximum number of matches of an expression. For example, here Bush starting with a B and small b plus starts with plus plus 1 comma 5. So we are setting the minimum and maximum number of matches 1 and 5. So Bush has historically won all major debates he has done, so this is one match. Bush doesn't need those debates. Bush doesn't need the debates. Maybe you're right. That's what Bush supporters are doing about the debate. Bush was poorly prepared to the debate, indeed, but still Bush should have taken the debate more seriously. Keep it in the Bush smoked. So here you have sentences that starts with Bush, that has Bush in it, everything. So that's the reason you are using plus. So any kind of repetitions is allowed. Maximum number of repetitions is 5. Minimum and maximum number of matches is 5. So this will give you all the list of examples which has the word Bush in. So um, in that set of regular expression, you're setting the minimum. And so for example, if I use that brackets to specify m comma n, at least m but not more than n matches, which has at least one matches. So here it was set as 1. So if it is set as 2, it will look for at least 2 matches in the sentence. So m means exactly m matches, m means m, comma means at least m matches. So again, revisiting the already did once, in most implementations of regular expressions, the parentheses not only limit the scope of alternatives divided by a j, but also can be used to remember text matched by the sub-expression enclosed. So we refer to the match text with /1, /2, etc. So the expression plus followed by a to z plus and plus /1 plus will match the lines. So it is like any number of repetitions allowed for small characters to capital characters. Repetition is allowed. So plus followed by /1. So this one actually is meant for will match the lines. Time for bed, night, night, Peter, blah 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 blah. My tattoo so itchy today. So these kind of sentences, any kind of sentences, will be matched by this regular expression, which will give you the repetitions of plus. So like the star is greedy, which means like it always matches the longest possible string that satisfies the regular expression. So a sentence that starts with S followed by dot star S matches. This dot star is a repetition for any character. Any character star means it starts with S and finishes with S, and here the entire set is matching. For example, sitting at Starbucks, setting up MySQL and Rails, studying stuff for the exam, spaghetti with marshmallows, stop fighting with crackers, sore shoulders, stupid economics. So all these start with this and ends with this. Even any kind of long sentences is matched by this. So if you want, like it can be turned on with the question mark symbol, as in question mark starts with S dot star question mark S dollar. So coming to the summary of regular expressions that we saw today. Regular expressions are used in many different languages. It's not unique to R, but still it's a very useful thing in R to do for text analytics. And regular expressions are composed of literals and meta characters that represent sets or classes of characters or words. And text processing via regular expressions is a very powerful way to extract data from unfriendly sources. Not all data comes as a CSV file. This will end the regular expressions.